On behalf of the Board of Trustees, I'm delighted to welcome you to Gambier today for the inauguration of Kenyon College's 20th president, Julie Kornfeld.
Stepping into a presidency is an awesome responsibility at any time, but it feels especially daunting at this moment. It is no wonder that people have been asking me, why on earth would you want to be a college president now? To this question, my answer is unequivocal. This work has never been more important. Full stop. This world has never been in greater need of people with the intellectual courage and capacity to lean in and hear one another, to be open to new ideas, and to be ready to work towards solutions. We need to push for more, for Kenyon and from Kenyon. This moment demands that we show up for one another, and it demands that Kenyon show up for the world. My promise to you is that I will show up with my optimism as Kenyon's 20th president, knowing that I do not do this work alone. To all of us who believe in the power of higher education to transform lives and improve the world, keep showing up.